AI influencers are earning over $333 a day. Yep, you heard that right. I've seen digital personas like Lil Miquela and Shudu making big money, and I'll give you the plan I'm using to make my own AI cash machine. But why a Russian AI influencer, you ask? Well, I've always been fascinated by Russian culture, fashion, and beauty. Russian women's allure and current US-Russia buzz could make an AI influencer go viral. I thought a Russian AI influencer could really stand out and go viral. By the end of my video, you'll know exactly how I'm creating an awesome Russian AI influencer, making cool content and earning at least $10K per month for real. Thanks to the powerful AI image tools I'm using, this is now faster, easier, and cheaper than ever for me. So whether you want to make a fake online identity for fun or to make serious money like I am, stick with me, and let's get started. To start, I need to create the appearance of my AI influencer. For this, I'll use a fantastic free tool called PhotoMaker by TenTen Art, which you can find on the Hugging Face website. I'll include the link in the description below. Once I'm on the PhotoMaker page, the first step is to upload a photo of a person I want my influencer to resemble. Close-up portrait shots where the face takes up most of the image work best. I can upload multiple photos from different angles for even better results. In this example, I've gathered a few stock photos of a typical stunning Russian woman. I'll simply drag and drop them into the upload section. Next, it's time to write the prompt that tells the AI what to generate. The key is to include the word image in brackets, which triggers the AI to use my uploaded photos as the basis. For this example, I'll write a photo of image, a beautiful Russian woman with long blonde hair, blue eyes, red lips, and fair skin, wearing a fur coat and hat in snowy Red Square, Moscow. Below the prompt, I'll find style options like cinematic, Disney, digital art, photographic, and others. For a realistic influencer photo, the photographic style usually works best, so I'll select that. There are advanced settings I can tinker with, such as the number of steps, style strength, number of output images, and seed number. But for now, I'll leave those at the default and hit the Submit button. The AI will generate 4 images of my virtual Russian beauty in Red Square. As you can see, she looks incredibly convincing, and the AI has done an excellent job matching the likeness from the example photos I provided. Her facial features, hair, and outfit all scream classic Russian glamour. If I want to refine the images further, I can go back and adjust the prompt or play with the advanced settings, but these should do the job just fine for my purposes. I'll save them to my computer and move on to the next step. Now that I have my influencer's photos sorted, she needs an authentic Russian voice to match. For this part, I'll use a different free tool called Murf AI Voice Generator. First, I'll head over to the Murf website and create a free account. Once logged in, I'll click the Create Voiceover button to get started. There are many AI voices to choose from, helpfully categorized by language and accent. I'll scroll down to the Russian section and listen to the options. After previewing a few, I'll select the one that sounds the most natural for my purposes, a youthful, sultry Russian woman. Now it's time to make my influencer say hello to the world. I'll type a sample greeting into the text box. Hi everyone, my name is Natasha, and I'm your new Russian AI influencer. Now I'll click the Generate and Download button. In a matter of seconds, Murf will generate an impressively authentic sounding voice clip of my virtual Natasha introducing herself. The Russian accent is spot on, and the AI even adds natural human inflections that make it sound like a real woman talking. I'll save the audio file. After downloading the AI voiceover from Murf AI, I'll use HeyGen AI www.heygen.com to create a video from the image and the voiceover. Now that I have Natasha's photo, video, and voice, she needs some fierce social media content to establish her online presence. To help generate convincing captions, I'll use a free AI writing tool called Copy.ai. Now I'll create a free account on the Copy.ai website. Then navigate to the Freestyle tool, which allows me to generate various types of content based on a description prompt. To keep things simple, I'll have Natasha post her photo in Red Square with a caption. In the prompt box, I'll write an Instagram caption for a beautiful Russian woman in her 20s posting a photo of herself in a fur coat and hat in snowy Red Square, Moscow. Use some Russian words and phrases. Then I'll click Create Content. There you go. Copy.ai has generated a caption that totally sounds like a young Russian fashionista wrote it. Check it out. Hello everyone from beautiful Moscow. Had to share this pic of me looking fab in Red Square, serving snow maiden vibes in my fur coat and hat. Does anyone want to meet up up for a stroll in hot chocolate? Stay warm, beauties. No joke, I couldn't have done it better myself. The AI has absolutely nailed the confident, flirty Russian it girl vibe and thrown in a bunch of appropriate Russian words and phrases like Visem Privet, hello everyone, Snegorochka, Snow Maiden, Kdo-nibud kochet vstretitsia, does anyone want to meet up? Goryachi, Chocolade, hot chocolate, and Krasotki, beauties. I'll generate a few different captions and pick my favorite. Then I'll copy and paste it somewhere handy. And there you have it, a virtual Russian influencer ready to take on the world. I use PhotoMaker to generate Natasha's look, Murf to create her voice, HeyGen AI to create the video, and Copy.ai to write her posts, all completely free. Leave any questions you have for me in the comments, and if you found my video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Moneyflux for more of my money-making tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What was your favorite part of my video? Let me know in the comments. Thanks.